Ever feel like your bank account is a black hole? Money goes in, disappears into fees, and leaves you wondering where it all went? Yeah, that's a common experience with traditional brick-and-mortar banks. That's why online banks like Ally are gaining so much traction. They offer competitive interest rates, lower fees, or none at all, and the convenience of managing your finances from anywhere with an internet connection. But before you jump ship and open an Ally account, there's one question burning a hole in your pocket, hopefully not literally: how long does Ally take to approve an account? We get it. Waiting for approvals can be a drag, especially when you're excited to take control of your finances. Here's the scoop on Ally's approval process and what you can expect in terms of turnaround time. Spoiler alert, it's usually pretty quick, but let's break it down so you know exactly what to expect. The Ally account approval breakdown. First things first, the good news. Ally boasts a streamlined online application process. No need to fill out endless forms or stand in lines. You can sign up for most Ally accounts in a matter of minutes, all from the comfort of your couch, or wherever you choose to conquer your finances. Now, the approval process itself involves a few steps. Verification. Ally needs to confirm your identity and financial information. This might sound scary, but it's just standard practice to ensure security and prevent fraud. They'll likely verify your social security number, date of birth, and possibly your address through a third-party service. Sometimes, they might request additional documentation like a driver's license or utility bill. Credit check. Depending on the Ally account you're applying for, they might do a soft credit check or a hard credit check. Soft checks have no impact on your credit score, while hard checks can cause a slight dip. Ally typically uses soft checks for most accounts like checking and savings, but for products like credit cards or loans, a hard check is more likely. So, how long does it take? Alright, the moment you've been waiting for. Ally generally aims to give you an approval decision within minutes. In many cases, especially for straightforward applications, you'll know right away whether you're good to go. However, there can be some factors that extend the wait time. Incomplete applications. Make sure you fill out the entire application form accurately and provide all the necessary information. Missing details can slow down the verification process. Complex applications. If you're applying for a loan or credit card, there might be a more thorough review of your financial situation. This could take a little longer, but it ensures Ally is making responsible lending decisions. Verification delays. Sometimes, there might be a hiccup in verifying your information through third-party services. This isn't necessarily Ally's fault, but it can cause a short delay. Tips for a speedy Ally account approval. Here are some things you can do to increase your chances of a quick and smooth Ally account approval. Gather documents. Have your social security number, ID, and any other relevant documents readily available before you start the application. Review for accuracy. Double-check all the information you enter to avoid any errors that might trigger additional verification steps. Choose the right account. If you're unsure which account best suits your needs, Ally has a helpful account comparison tool. Opting for a simpler product like a checking or savings account might get you approved faster. Beyond the approval time. Even if your account approval takes a bit longer than expected, remember that Ally prioritizes security and responsible banking practices. That little extra wait could simply mean they're taking the time to ensure your financial future is in good hands. The final verdict. While the exact approval timeframe can vary, Ally generally gets you an answer within minutes. By being prepared with the necessary information and choosing the right account type, you can further streamline the process. So, ditch the big bank frustration and consider making the switch to Ally. With a user-friendly online platform, competitive rates, and a, hopefully, speedy approval process, you might just find yourself wondering why you didn't do it sooner. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.